My name is Michael Krupa. I'm the CEO of United Services Group. My father started the business. He's an immigrant from Czech Republic.
United Cleaning offers cleaning services to the retail industry and commercial industries, as well as what we call special services, which is basically any non-trade facility management work that an organization might need.
We've always been taught by our father to build long-term relationships. One of our longest-standing customers is since we started the business 40 years ago.
Our customer base is about 800 to 900 locations across the country, a wide range of grocery stores, retail stores, condo buildings, an airport.
We have the largest pool of internal mechanics based out of Ontario, as well as Montreal in Quebec and Quebec City. And then throughout the rest of Canada, we use third-party provisioning.
We run between 3,000 to 5,000 pieces of equipment for various floor cleaning tasks. Each customer will have 2 or 3 pieces of equipment. It has a maintenance schedule. We also have specialized equipment that needs to move around the country. So there's lots of equipment movement and maintenance, and it's really important that we know where all that is at all times.
We grew to a point where it was difficult to grow and control what we had and maintain what we had.
Before this project, we were really working in siloed systems. It was mostly manual and difficult to keep those in sync, so we had a lot of disconnect in the organization.
Our invoicing was late. We lost track of certain jobs because we weren't getting the reporting properly.
And we needed to find a way to bring all that information together, share it with everyone else, and have a collaborative environment.
We needed a platform that helps integrate different areas of our business, and we had to take into account what's going to happen 10 years from now, because the customers' needs are changing very dramatically.
Nubik was responsible for implementing our FinancialForce implementation, our Field Service Lightning, and took our existing Salesforce and kind of helped us move it along to sort of match the new way of having these systems talk to each other.
They understood that we were in the middle of business transformation, so they were also flexible and fluid. So that flexibility allowed us to actually work well together.
The office staff and the service writers, if you will, are living in Salesforce. Our internal mechanical staff uses Field Service Lightning, the mobile application on their phones. They have all the conveniences of a phone, including a camera right there. So they're able to, in real time, complete the service, the diagnostics, and then catalog that repair. This is the information that's pertaining to this work order. This is an email message that has driven this. As I back out of here, you can see all of the information in the header order is as easy as pushing a button. If you can use a banking website or a banking app, you're more than qualified to use Field Service Lightning. In my career as a product support manager, had I had this tool in one of my previous roles, it would have made things a lot easier.
The improvements that we've seen having this system was really the vision that we went into it with. It's just sort of that one version of the truth.
We've moved from information gathering to information sharing. With every week that's passing, we're developing greater and greater analytical tools.
And we're now transforming into an organization because of these systems. It's helping us really make decisions on all levels.
I like the idea of having a complete and accurate inventory all the time so that I'm able to make business decisions.
Moving forward with our long-term relationships that we're building with our customers, Salesforce and Nubik are tools for us to continue that and even strengthen those relationships with our customers.
Our team got along with the Nubik team extremely well.
Very knowledgeable, very thorough.
All of the team members from Nubik were excellent fits for us.
We really didn't feel they were a different company. We just felt we were one core team with a single purpose.
We have so many more opportunities. Where we are today, it's amazing.